Are you struggling to find reliable general contractors in Fredericksburg? You're not alone. The Hill Country is experiencing a surge in demand for quality contracting services, yet skilled labor is scarce. Many contractors have turned to cities or oil fields, leaving local property owners frustrated. Introducing Fredericksburg General Contracting Services, your go-to solution for all construction and land improvement needs. We understand the unique challenges of our region and bring proven expertise to every project. Our streamlined approach guarantees a seamless experience from start to finish. With our services, you'll enjoy one vital advantage: a dedicated point of contact. We manage timelines, budgets, and quality control, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Our in-house equipment accelerates project timelines, and our local knowledge ensures fewer delays. Why choose us? We combine advanced technology with a customer-centric philosophy. Our unique selling point is how we integrate cutting-edge marketing techniques with a reliable workforce. This ensures not only excellence in execution, but also peace of mind for all stakeholders involved. Let us show you how to turn your construction vision into reality. Reach out now for a personalized quote and timeline. Don't wait, your project deserves the best. Contact us today and experience the difference.